Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Compton, and I want to wish you a very happy 2021. It is our new year, and we are here to celebrate because we have said goodbye to 2020, and hopefully we can see each other in class soon. So, happy new year. And we are going to start off our new year with a what do you notice? What do you wonder? So let's read that together. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Okay, and we are going to notice and wonder all the things that we can about this. So I don't want you just to notice one thing or two things or three things. I want you to notice as many things as you can. So that means we need time to think. So let's hit pause right now. I'm going to hit pause and you could hit pause too. And we are going to think about all the things we notice and wonder. Okay, I did some thinking. I'm back. I hope you are back too. Let's see. Show me on your fingers how many ideas you came up with. Let's see. Maybe some of you are showing me 4 ideas. Maybe some of you are showing me 10 ideas. Oh my gosh, this was like 11 when you add that one in, plus my fingers. Okay, so I'm going to take some guesses on the things that you noticed. I'm going to guess that you noticed that there were 2 colors. There were green and yellow. And maybe you notice the shape too. These are all called what? Circles. All right, so maybe you noticed that there were some green circles and some yellow circles. Did anybody count the green circles and the yellow circles? Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 green circles. So 8 green. Okay, let's see. Did you count the yellow circles? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we know there were 5 yellow circles. Okay, did anybody put them all together and figure out how many circles there were in total? Okay, I think we should do it, shall we? How do you want to count them? Do you want to start off with the 8 greens? Should we count on from there? So we could probably count on. We know we have 8. This would make number 9. That would be 10, 11, 12, 13. So maybe you noticed that there were 13 circles all together. So 13 circles in all. Okay. Ooh, maybe some of you actually counted the number of circles in a different way. I just noticed something. See, as I get talking and thinking, I start noticing more things. Does that happen to you too? I just noticed that I'm going to guess that some of you probably thought this looked like a 10 frame. Did anybody see that? I didn't see it at first, but then when I was trying to get into your brains and start thinking about what you saw, I saw a 10 frame. So maybe you saw that as 10, 11, 12, 13. And maybe if you did see that, or maybe even if you didn't see that, you saw that there were more greens than yellows. Did anybody notice that there were more greens than yellows? How many more greens are there than yellows? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 more greens than yellows. 3 more green than yellow. Yeah, because now we can kind of compare them. There's so many things we could notice and wonder, aren't there? All right, I wonder if you had an idea that I didn't guess. I wonder if that happened. I bet somebody out there had an idea that I didn't guess. I want to know what it is. Okay, are you ready to see our story today? Here it comes. It's all about something that I love. It's all about snowball fights. Here's the word snowballs. Okay, so have you ever played with a snowball? They're pretty cold, but pretty fun, right? You can launch them at people as long as everybody's playing nicely. All right, so Timmy and Kate are having a snowball fight. Okay, see if you can imagine that. Kate has more snowballs than Timmy. Okay, so Kate has more snowballs than Timmy. Kate has snowballs. Okay, so we're going to find out how many snowballs Kate has. How many snowballs does Timmy have? Okay, so we know who has more snowballs in the story. We know Kate does. It says Kate has more snowballs than Timmy. So we know who has less snowballs. It's Timmy. Timmy has fewer snowballs than Kate, or less snowballs than Kate. Okay, let's check out our number sets. Let's read it with a set of numbers in there. You might choose 1 and 4, or 3 and 7, or 5 and 12. You have to pick the one that's just right for you. I thought today we could read it with the numbers 3 and 7. Remember, 3 is my first number in this set, so it goes on my first line. 7's the second number. It's going to go on our second line. All right, so let's read it again, just so we can make sure we understand it. You know what you can do? You can even close your eyes and imagine the story. I love to do that when people read to me. I like to close my eyes and think about the picture. Timmy and Kate are having a snowball fight. Kate has 3 more snowballs than Timmy. Kate's the lucky one. Kate has 7 snowballs. How many snowballs does Timmy have? All right, so in this situation, Kate's the lucky one. She has 7 snowballs, and that's 3 more than what Timmy has. We have to figure out how many snowballs Timmy has. All right, kindergartners, grab your things, grab your math tools, don't forget your supplies, and I will see you later. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.